makes working in your garden, washing your car, or just enjoying your yard the carefree experience you deserve. The difference starts with Flexilla's super flexible hose that doesn't kink under pressure. It's lighter than conventional hoses, stands up to tough use, and stays flexible in all weather conditions. Plus, Flexilla is twice the diameter of those flimsy expandable hoses for maximum water flow. Zero memory means your hose lays flat without twisting. Flexilla garden hose doesn't fight you when you coil it, and crush-resistant anodized aluminum fittings with durable O-rings provide long-lasting, leak-free connections. For even more convenience, 3, 5, and 10-foot hoses are perfect for connecting reels, and all Flexilla hoses, available in lengths up to 100 feet, are drinking water safe. Don't settle for an ordinary water hose when it comes to your precious